I'm gonna eat. Well, I have to wait here. Oh my god, it's so hot. Ouch. It's hot. Woo! Aso ah. Aso yun dyan. Aso yun. Yes, I'm gonna eat the sisiyo. And then, we'll put a vinegar. Aso ah! Oh my god, it's so hot guys. It's really hot talaga. It's so hot talaga. It's black naman. Wait! Yeah, there's a sisiyo. There's a black sisiyo inside. I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna tapon na lang. And it's really hot talaga. We'll put again another vinegar. We'll put salt. And we'll... Why are you smiling, Jillian? Oh my god. The sisiyo is sisiyowing. I'm gonna tapon this one na lang. It's so black man, oy. Oh my god. I'm gonna tapon this one na lang, oy. It's really hot talaga. Hello, I'm an onion. The sisiyo is sisiyowing. Look at that. Sino na sa wakas? Look at this one. Oh, you see it? Look at vinegar. Then we'll put that. And then we'll get this one. Oh, it's so good then. I just hope maliit lang yung sisiyo nito. Sila talaga. Okay. Wala siyang sisiyo. Okay. Sayang yun eh. Ay, balot sa puti. Look at that, oh. Look at that. We will put this one into the sausawan. Alam natin, kailangan sila.